So mobile VR has this kind of reputation as being like a really subpar experience, kind of cheap and generally crappy.
Yeah, I mean, cheaper hardware leads to cheaper experiences, or at least that's usually the case.
Yeah, and there's no sensors necessarily, and the screen resolution isn't the same. It's who wants to look into a phone that's pressed up against your head?
Right, but Samsung's here, it's in the main central hall, and it's in the part that isn't press only and you know, industry only. It's the area that anyone can get to.
So anybody can come here and kind of check out how Samsung is trying to convince everyone that mobile VR is actually pretty good.
With some roller coaster help.
Yes. So they've got a whole setup with a whole bunch of different gadgets to help enhance the VR experience. It's not just putting on a helmet and looking around. There's a whole bunch of like paraphernalia to help you feel like you're skiing or snowboarding or flying with dinosaurs.
Yeah, so flying with dinosaurs was probably my favorite, your least favorite, but we'll get to that in a sec. So they strap you into a chair and then they just hurl you around a bit.
Yeah, they turn you completely upside down and just kind of throw you through the air in hopes that you don't vomit all over their display.
I mean, to Samsung's credit, there are safety belts. You are strapped in. It's, you know, everything's legal, right?
Yeah, it's safe. It's just, you know, it's a
little bit painful for terrorists.
Yeah, and a little bit of a vomit comment.
Yeah, a little bit of a vomit comment was the term I used. It's quite intense, but looking at the demo video that you're watching as you're hurled around and upside down, it's a very plush, you know, rich CGI graphics.
Yep.
Everything's synced with the movements of the chair. You go upside down as a dinosaur. You fly through giant brachiosaur necks. It's a very prestigious.
Yeah, it's the kind of experience that you used to only be able to get at like a giant amusement park, and now they're just doing it on a small stage with a chair that maybe you won't have in your own home, but it's small enough that like it could show up in a local arcade.
And I mean, this is one of the sales pitches for VR, right? The idea that you'll see it in these entertainment zones, in arcades. It'll be a new addition. It'll be a new fun thing to try out. And Samsung's kind of got it down pat here. And Samsung's showcase here of experiences stretches beyond its Gear VR. It's also showcasing its fitness wearables. You know, you have a Gear Sport 2 here. They strap that on you, then you competitively ski down a slope.
I won. Just want to throw that out there.
I lost, despite it being my birthday today. That's not fair. And it's just a very good, very positive showcase for these wearables. I mean, when was the last time you've been skiing?
Literally never.
Same here. So it's a very cool way to experience what fitness wearables could be utilized if you lived a better Playboy lifestyle than us do.
Yeah.
Anyway, stay tuned at Engadget.com for more of everything here at CES 2018.